Welcome to the Dad Bod. Today we're trying out another clothing subscription box. I've tried Stately Man and Winston Box. Both were really horrible experiences. Stately Man kept sending out clothes that didn't fit at all. They had my sizes, but they kept sending me clothes for somebody about a half a foot shorter and maybe about 60 pounds smaller. Speaking of looking smaller, a doctor in New York advised his patient to start walking at least 2 miles a day. A month later, the patient called the doctor and said, "Hey, I'm in Boston, now what?" I'd send the Stately Man items back for an exchange, and then they would send me more clothes that didn't fit. I made sure that I provided the feedback as to why I was sending things back, but they were ignoring it. And if you need more than one exchange for a box because they messed up the exchange as well, then they start charging you. Plus, you tell them what you like and what you don't like, and for some reason, they love to send you things that you don't like. For me, it was plaid and slim-fitting clothing. I left them and I signed up for the Winston Box. They sent me a box, I sent it back. Everything was way too big. They sent me another. I kept 2 of the 4 items, and then they charged me for another box, but they never sent that one or the second exchange. They ignored dozens of messages and voicemails. It took nearly 2 months to get it taken care of. Then they finally refunded me for what they never sent me, and they canceled my subscription. So today we get to try out Thread Beast. I've seen a few reviews for these guys. I'm not sure if it's exactly the type of clothing I would normally wear, but they do have an option for nicer stuff, so I'm curious to see what I can do with what I get. They have 4 options, 3 that are standard. The basic is 2 to 3 items at $55 per month. The essential is 4 to 5 items at $85 per month. And then the premium is 6 to 7 items at $135 per month. You can also get the baller plan, which is 9 to 11 items at $250 per month, but you have to chat with them to get signed up for that one. The boxes have free shipping and you can cancel whenever you want. I chose the essential plan to start with, 4 to 5 items per month at $85. While you're signing up, they ask you questions to figure out your style. Which of the following would you like to see in your package? Distressed clothing? No. Explicit graphics? No. For the tops, would you like slim fit? No. Button up? Yes. Polos? Yes. For accessories, would you like beanies? No. Hats? No. Jewelry? Yes. Watches? Yes. Belts? Yes. Wallets? Yes. Then they ask you for some other stores that you shop at. I put down a few. Then they ask you for style preferences. I said I'm 6'3" and I wear taller sizes for shirts, 18.5 inch to a 19 inch neck and a 38 to 39 inch sleeve for shirts, 42 by 30 for the pants, and that I prefer more professional looking clothing. And I said that I wear a 12 wide or a 12.5 for shoes, no ball caps, no plaid, no flannel, please. For the options here, I tend to dress pretty crisp and clean, a mix and match of different colors, and I prefer my pants to be straight leg. They have a points program where each box that you pay for gives you points, and then when you get a certain amount of boxes, I think it's when you get every 4 boxes, you get a bunch more points, and then you can use those points to get extra stuff in your boxes as you accumulate enough. They say you get your first box within 2 weeks, and it did. So again, here it is. So let's look and see what I got. Alright, right here on the top we have a Herschel wallet. It says that it is a Charlie wallet and that it is RFID blocking. That's pretty good with cybercrime being on the rise. And we also have a little bracelet. It says Herschel Supply Company. All right, next we have an SSUR t-shirt. It says SSUR New York City, and it says New York City with some sort of a werewolf creature on the back. We have a classic shirt. It's gray and black striped. So these things are actually limited runs. They have a set amount of each item, and when they're gone, you can't get them anymore. So this one I think would actually look pretty nice with a blazer as long as the logo doesn't show. I don't think it will. It's kind of off to the side, so yeah. Next we have a Levi's denim button-up shirt, size XXL. I could probably pair this with some of my blazers and get a pretty nice outcome. And then lastly, we have a pair of classic shorts, which I need. It's getting hotter by the day. The only problem with these is there's a little bit of a hole in the back, which, I mean, we can get this taken care of in a few minutes. So let's go try these on and see what I can do. So here you have me in the classic shorts, which I think retail for about $40, and I'm also wearing the SSUR New York City shirt, which costs about $42. Everything seems to fit all right, so that's definitely a bonus. Here I am again wearing the SSUR New York City shirt, and I'm wearing it with a pair of just regular blue jeans and a black blazer, so I think this does look pretty good. Here I am wearing the classic shirt, which retails for about $30, and I'm pairing it with a light colored blazer and a pair of jeans. It does look pretty good. You can't really see the logo, so I like that. However, it is a little bit snug on me. I probably could have gone up a size with this. Here I am with the Levi's shirt, which retails for about $50, and the Herschel wallet, which is about $22. This shirt does pair good with a light gray blazer, but it is a bit snug. I think I'm going to definitely have to exchange this for something that fits a little bit better. So what do you guys think? Does it mesh well with my current clothing? Go ahead and let me know in the comments.